Hey everyone, welcome to the PDNob channel. Today, we're going to look at something new and powerful, how to create a presentation using ChatGPT Image 2. First, let's talk about something exciting. The new ChatGPT Image 2 can actually generate excellent PowerPoint presentations from a simple prompt. All you need to do is enter a clear prompt. For example, create a PowerPoint presentation about mini gardens, including benefits, design ideas, and plant types. Use green and brown tones with a clean, minimal style. Within seconds, ChatGPT Image 2 will generate a complete presentation for you. Now let's take a look at the result. As you can see, the slides are well-structured, visually clean, and ready to use. This makes it a great tool for quickly creating presentations without starting from scratch. Sometimes you need to submit this presentation for work or school in a fixed format like PDF. We recommend using PDNob PDF editor. The free download link is in the description. Let me show you how it works. First, you'll need to download the presentation from ChatGPT. Then open PDNob PDF editor. Click the plus icon, then choose Convert File to PDF. Next, select your presentation file. After that, go to File, click Export, choose PDF, then select Yes and save your file. And that's it. Your presentation will be converted into a high-quality PDF in just a few clicks. This method is fast, reliable, and especially useful when you need a properly formatted PDF for sharing, printing, or submission. If this video helped you learn how to convert a presentation to PDF, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.